Hello, mic check. Okay, mic was working. Stream is up. I do not have desktop icons, bro. It's too bright. Okay. A little bit better, yeah. Well, I was thinking which application to use to trigger this automation. Buffer? No. Superbase, why would I use Superbase? This Airtable looks nice, so let me try the same maybe. If it works fine, I don't mind. I can watch records return all newly created updated records in a view. Requires created time or last modified field. Watch responses. Triggers when a new response is submitted. Get a record. Okay. I think it's better to create like Airtable connection online help. I think I might need an Airtable account. This is the one. Okay, create. Yeah, it comes from scratch. Team is fine. No need. I'm fine. Yep. Got a like. Thanks for the like. You upgraded your free. Why would you upgrade it? So basically, I have a table. Is there any other free integrations I can make? Add a module. Let's search Google Docs now. That would need an API. The only thing which is easier to connect is the webhooks itself. Typeform, no. Blogger, no. Image, Mailchimp, any mail finder, no. Make no. WeChat, no. It's a Sol API. Okay, I thought it's SQ, but it's SQL. Built-in. What is built-in? Delete a row, execute a function, wait, insert a row, select a row. No. There should be something. There are so many options. The list is just huge. SQL, MySQL, they even have SQL. Okay, web.
Demon says, hello.
Welcome, Demon. Welcome. What was your real name? It's fine, I can remember you as a Demon. So this is what I was trying to do. I have linked my Instagram. So I have a huge roadmap of my automation. It is working as expected. But I don't know when to trigger this or how to trigger this. The options which they provided was Airtable and there is a list, but I would like to pick something which is free. I don't want like 14 days free and then to pay something. So I'm thinking I can use Google Sheets or Google Docs, but that requires Google API, which I have used a lot previously, and it's not as a smooth experience as it sounds. So I would like to go away from this. I'm thinking which one to use. JSON to video, no. If you have any idea, then sure, please let me know. Anyway, good morning. This thing didn't work. Browse AI, no. WeChat, no. Google Vision Cloud, no. Those are not the ones I wanted. Fill out. There is one which I expected to work, which is this one. Let me see if I can send data inside. Custom webhook module, insert a custom web module in the webhook. Okay. Then what? Oh, there is. Yeah, there is built-in apps. Okay. There is SSH, Postgres. All I need is. Yeah, I do need some information. Support incoming data formats, query and JSON. Okay. Query string, format string, multipart. Well, just takes the entire file, I guess. JSON, okay. Post HTTP unique 32 character string long content type JSON name. To access the original JSON, open the webhook settings and enable JSON pass-through. Okay. Open show advanced setting, but I don't see maximum. These are the only thing I found. Show advanced maybe. Yes. The HTTP method will be added to the request body. Create a data structure. So let's go. Automation item. Let's say automation ID. That's for sure. It will have the UUID for the automation. It is a text. Default value no. Required yes. Multi-line no. Straight. If checked, the data structure will be compared to the structure of the payload, and if the payload contains extra item not specified in the data structure, the payload will be rejected. Fine. That's fine. Okay. So create data structure name. This will be an ID, and then it will also have caption. It's the same description. This will have the affiliate link. I don't know how to spell it. It should be affiliate links. Link inside the caption and then text. It is a text, yes. Default value no. It is multi-line, yes. It is required, yes. I have this. I have this. What else would I need? I think I would need the images as well to post the carousel. So automation link would have all those URLs by itself. I think I need some extra information with this. So with a given Airtable, let's call it raw. So this is an Airtable. This will currently it has affiliate, we can say Amazon automation ID, and the new one is captions, which has links and other info. So far that's what we have, and then wrap in a frame. What is this called? It's called webhook. Why is it moving away from this? What? Text in a container. No. I thought we can attach it for some reason. Okay, so add a frame. Can I add a frame for some reason? No. Oh, this is the frame. Okay, it can be fine. Web embed not needed. Mermaid to Xcali draw. Oh, interesting. Okay, we can have it inside here. So webhook will have an automation ID, a captions, and then just with this, it needs to get the files and then post. Okay. Where can I get the songs? I don't know if I can set up an audio, if that's possible, but if it is, then it's fine. Business, and let's see, video URL. How can I have it here inside? Pass in the data, please. What does it call? Automation ID, show advance. Save, yeah, edit. Do I not have, oh, I didn't really save the data structure. Okay, let's save it as automation ID. Will have the pipeline automation ID. It's a text, no, straight yes, and data structure, my data structure. Let's say webhook payload. Just to see if there are any other settings. No, save. What is this? Add. No, I didn't save it. Oh yeah, okay, finally. Yes, it is a JSON pass-through, and I don't really need it. Save. And what else? That's it. Save. Now, how can I bring that database inside here? Yeah, webhooks, finally, automation ID. So it will be something like this. So HTTPS amazedeals.com BlazingBane.com/getReal, and it will have the automation ID. Using this, it will get the file, and obviously this doesn't have like the audio, so I might need to set up an audio for this. I think it's better to save like audios for the reels itself. Maximum recommended size 92 to avoid hopping or blank spaces. So far that's perfectly fine. So let's caption. Yeah, we can send caption as well. Save. Let's press save, and inside here edit. So advanced. How can I edit this? Edit. Add an item, and let's say caption. Will hold the affiliate links. Affiliate links and other keywords. It's a text, it's a multi-line. Yes, save, save, save. And here it will have the caption as in this way. Done. Location ID, we can just say, I don't know how to save this caption. Press save and then open. Oh no. And again, I'll cancel. Map? No. I have no clue how to set this up, so I'm not going to worry about it. So once this is done, I will make a HTTP request and say, how can I know that it's final? HTTP, you get a file, make a basic, I will make a request, send a request, HTTP request to a specific URL and process the response. I don't really need any response. Make a request, URL type equals to HTTPS amaze deals or amaze deal? Which one is it? Yeah, it's amaze deals. That's fine. Site. So amazedeals.com. Update. We don't need update. So for a put, it will have the automation ID. Okay, and it will be a put method. Headers, query strings, body type. Obviously, it should be an application encoder or something. Raw. What is raw? Content type JSON. Request context. Parse response. Now, it's a request context. Show advance. Then username, password, timeout. Timeout will be 30 seconds. Share cookies, no, 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 no. Yeah, that's fine. How can I request content? It's a request content. Is it something like this? I have to mention. I don't need this. Automation ID equals to automation ID. And then status. Let's set is processed. Is posted. Let's say is posted. That's a better representative. It's going to be true. Yeah, that's fine. Set use mutual TLS now. I don't know, is this the right way to set it? But it's fine. Save. So webhooks. I don't need this one. Delete module. I don't need this one. Delete module. So we have webhooks gets the information. If I can just add a delay or something, delay, or we can say trigger time, stop a timer, start a timer, get an event. No, start a timer. In the same way, I need like add a router. Copy module. Do I have a paste module? Delete. I don't need it this space. Delete. And how can I link it? Yeah, okay. Delete module. How can I like drag it like this? No. Maybe I need a router. Is an iterator. Array aggregator, iterator is fine. Array. Or maybe if this is needed, then yeah, sure, why not? So let's have a router. And it will, can a router only have like one? I got a new like. Thanks for the like, guys. I'm struggling to how can I mix this too for this one, or else I can have like an individual things. I don't need a duplicate, so this can stay here. I'll just make a copy of it, close it. I can make a copy of it, copy module clone. Yeah, that's fine. And then it will be this, but instead of this, it will be is, what is this one? Is real and is, I forgot. Is real posted. That's the one. Save. And here it will be is carousel. I don't know how to spell it. That's fine. Is carousel posted. That will be updated. That will be completely updated in my database. And then let's see. What's there? At a regular intervals, once a day, on demand, specified at a regular intervals, minutes. Now it will be immediately. Yeah, that's fine. Run once, immediately as data arrives. Now make your day. Oh, you're saying this due to the specs. I couldn't see the yellow text. I'm actually using make.com, so your username sync ups with this. Welcome to the stream. Show my face. It's me, BlazingBane. I'm just automating my process. Once this is done, I do have some GoLang code to be updated. It will still take a week, I think. By next week, everything should be ready. After that, it would be just a maintenance until everything is done, and then just a regular checkups. After this project, I have promised that I will be moving to DSA. Yeah, there is still a lot heavy roadmap. We'll see. Anyway, welcome to the stream. If you have anything to ask, let me know. Back to gaming. Yeah, it's not closing. Close. Yeah, it's close. You seem new to the channel. If you want a quick walkthrough, I can definitely give you that. I'm a developer myself. So does it just copy paste all these or what? Into text error all rule. I don't know if they both get triggered or not. I want them both to be triggered. Can I make this way? Oh yeah, I think this is possible. Okay. No. This should be here. Unlink. Oh no. Unlink, and this should be linked here. This should be linked here. All I wanted was I don't know how to make a copy of this. Does it have the entire? It somehow has it, so it's fine. I don't know if the data is being passed from here to here and then for both of them. I have no clue, but it's fine. Let's see if that works fine. Then it works fine. So now let's go back to Go program and then see GoLang how come on, dude. Go fiber trigger a
Siddhant ODA says, hey babe.
Webhook post, something like that. Thanks for the like, Siddhant. So that's what happens if someone likes my stream. So with Fiber, you can execute custom user functions when to run some methods. These are not the hooks I wanted. I would like to, or else I can just run post message. In order to receive files encoded with multiple form data, it's necessary to configure the data structure with a collection type, okay, and the field text name. The field data is a buffer type and contains binary data of the file being transferred. Cool. It's fine. JSON pass-through, show element length, and content type is 5 MB. Webhooks header. To access I don't want headers. The only problem now is how to trigger this. Support incoming data formats and JSON. This is what I picked, and it says this one. I still need few API cases. How would it handle errors? If it didn't work out, the value contains maximum. Okay, self-signed URL default use content. So if it fails, maybe I need a router. If it fails, router, something like that, yeah. No. Response. HTTP retrieves headers, make a request, resolve a URL, receive header. No. How does it know? Add a module, let's say router. Oh, sorry. Delete, please. I would like to know what is the first. What does it mean first? Condition equal to headers, cookies. Oh, this is the one. Okay. There is a 4 ID here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the data status code. I would definitely love to see Is this the raw? Is this the post ID I would get? I think this should be here instead there. Okay, unlink and let's link this. Can I not link it? Where is unlink? Oh, yeah, this is the one. Unlink. What? Unlink. Okay. So once this is done, and then it will basically, yeah, this is, let's see, delete. There should be two HTTP routes, and the conditions should be routes first and second. No. Filter. If post ID is not null, is not equals to, how do I know that? Define. If exists, if post ID exists, then save. I think I need to write it one more time. Label if success post. Yeah, success post. This is a route as a fallback. The fallback route is a backup route that is used if the source data didn't go through any route. One route can only have one callback. Oh, this is not a callback function. I don't need a callback function. I think this route is a callback function. Condition would say there is no need of a condition. So I think you can go through any other route. I don't know. Fail. So let's say if it post data success post, let me see, this is exists, and here it should be fail post, and here it should be post data doesn't exist, something like that, and it should basically do the same. Clone. Let's delete this, and it should be here, and it will be edited to put is file posted false. How would I know if it is not posted or not? Is reel posted false? Let's say error. Error is something went wrong. Something went wrong. While something went wrong, we can say make, so that we know that the error is coming from the make. Parse response, not needed. Automatically parse the response. Converts the SMS. Okay, don't need it. Username, no. Password timeout. Yeah, so save. We shall. This is a reel post. What is this? Oh, I might need to delete these and just paste it something else as of now, but let's see. So this is a workflow, and once I need to deploy an example of it. So I have automation get reel. It will get the reel. So whenever I'm getting a reel, I might need to add a music to it. I don't know how to. Set music to reel after upload. Yeah, that's basically not possible. Okay. How to get trending reels in Instagram API? Complete guide of using Instagram Reels API. Does Instagram have no trending music on Instagram? I think I have to manually download or update those files myself. Probably that would be a better option. Yeah, long time. It's as of now. Let's make like a audio. Instagram. Let's see. Instagram BlazingBane.reels. So do I have reels? Yes. I might. Where's an audio? What are the trending audios? Do I have like a trending audios dashboard? Explore reels. I don't see any trending audios. How to get trending music on Instagram? Enter and select reels and tap on audio browse. Okay, let's see if this works on phones. Instagram. It will ask me to wait. I will try uploading a reel so that just to know where can I find a trending audio. I found reels and then yeah, reel. Where can I find the audio? Oh, I see trendings. Yeah, I do see trendings now. Okay. So basically I might need to well, if it's that needed, it's fine. I would like to select an audio from here itself so that I get better reach. How can I do that? Let's deal with the audio later. It's taking too much time. Okay, so let's create certain things which are needed. If I can avoid getting yeah, get reel is fine. Okay, get reel. So let's develop the get reel. VS Code server. API.go, deals.go, media.go. So yeah, get d media, what image now? App.get get reel, and I get the automation ID, I guess. Automation ID. Get reel. So let's go to the media functions and write function get reel, and this is the one. It says send file, basically upload the file. It should have the automation ID. So base file is this. This is the base file, and then deal image parameters, what image parameters. Okay, where do I have the parameters? I set it somewhere here. Oh yeah, automation ID. Okay, I see the automation ID, and then well, that's fine. And then we have to see file join. I think I don't have output. Is it inside output? VS Code, Amazon Auto. There is Python. Here is a Python, and we have output and reels. Inside reels, there should be .mp4 file. Okay. It should be base file, and then it should be reels or reels. Yeah, it should be reels, and then it should be automation ID fmt dot sprintf. I don't know if it's sprintf or printf. Yeah, it's fine. smp dot automation ID. Yes, perfect. So now it will return the file. It's too bright. It's too bright. That's fine. A little bit low. Yeah, now it would return the file. That's a good step. Let's run it A. And what else? So I have deals, I have get deal, I have get real automation ID. So if I give the automation ID, it should return the real. So let's try it. Interesting, very interesting. I still need a lot of work. So Google Tasks. How can I make it a full screen? Can I at least decrease it? Add a page to get all automations IDs, or basically filter. Single page to show all deals along with their respective automation. It's fine. Mobile look really looks small tech. Really? Do not commit. Oh, that's. So that means I need to bring main.exe from temp. I have to do that for every time. So that's another story. Something's wrong with my YouTube. I'm not getting enough viewers. Do you guys watch my stream, or can you guys see it? Okay, let's test this. Post automation. I take a sample string, which is, I don't need this. Did I? Oh no. What did I delete? I deleted something, but I don't know which one is. Let's say this is the reel, and we make postman. Where is postman? Dismiss. Get localhost. Get reel. Have something like this. Send. Not working as expected. This is the reel. It should say, it should do that. Get reel, yeah. Oh, it's real, not real. Okay. Now it's working. Wonderful. Wonderful. Sorry, let's set it as get real. Should be real. So I get the reel, I get the file. It should be working, but before this I need to assign some music to this. So maybe I can do that while generating the audio. That should be a lot better. This is created. Get real. This is responsible to get the video of the generated reel. How can I set parameters? It needs to have the automation ID. If in case it doesn't have an automation ID, let's how can I do that? Function error, yeah. Oh, I might need to write a check itself. Params, yeah. If automation ID is this one, then let's say automation ID is required. Yeah, if this automation fails, then we might need to. That shouldn't be possible. It's fine. Just a security check. API route to get the images. It takes the deal ID and then what image? It gets the single image of the deal. So far so good. Okay, so now what? And now let's trigger the webhook. Once the deal is done, media deals, it should trigger it, the webhook, but I don't know when to trigger it, so this application needs to run. Okay. How to write a cron job? How to write a cron job in GoLang? I'll gotta use ChatGPT, man. How to write a cron job in GoLang? How does it know which one are newly created? It's fine. Okay, this is the one. Let's see. Seems fine, but it is not really updated in a long time. It is not really updated in a long time. Easy and fluent Go construct. Dueling. This is a fork from. Is this the one? No. This seems latest, so I am confident in using this. So, what are they using? Create a scheduler, new scheduler handle, and if add a job to the scheduler. This one, and then handle error. Each job has a unique ID. Start the scheduler. Block until you are ready to shut down. Is it that complicated? I don't know when to trigger this. If I can set a time myself while creating the pipeline, I think that would be better. When to post these deals. As of now, let's post it right away. And then I can manually add it. Okay. Posting reels or content. Posting content. It feels better to set the trigger time while triggering the automation and the music link as well. I think the React application needs to be a lot more functionality will be added to it, no problem. I wish I can listen to some music.
Airtable URL.
What does it work on?
So if you use an Airtable,
If I remove it, I can hear it, but the stream doesn't. But what happens if I do a speak? YouTube.com. Let's see if what happens if the speak command is working. Hi. I hope speak comes to.
Shivak says, hi.
So the speak command is working. Celebrate. Celebrate. Hey Jitsa, welcome to the stream. I was just testing which volume, which sound am I getting. So looks like all my commands are following voice meter input, but if I play a sound in YouTube, I can hear it because it's the waves are here, but I'm not sending that audio to my streaming PC. So that means I can listen to some strong songs if no one's want to chat with me. But how can I show that to you guys that I'm listening to this song? BID, what does it mean? Anyway, welcome to the stream, guys. Skite. Does it mean something? I have no clue. Is it a new Gen Z word, BID? I understand ID, but I don't. Korolija. Dusan. Welcome. Thanks for the subscribe. Dusan, thanks for the subscribe. Respect. Thanks for the sub, man. Feels good. So, Jitsa, do you have anything to ask? I am a developer myself, currently working on this pipeline, or we can say this automation thing. Works fine. It takes a little bit more time, and I only work like an hour or two for a given project, so that's why I take few more days, but I'm sure this will be done. आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. I am actually comfortable in understanding Hindi, Telugu, and English, but the reason I'm speaking in English is I have an AI which edits my videos. So I'm currently recording all my live streams, which are almost 2 to 3 hours. I don't have the time to edit them myself. I don't have the money to buy an editor for myself. So I wrote a script. It uses a local LLM, Gemma 3 4B, I guess, and it would edit my videos into smaller clips. Not like vertical clips along with captions. No, it would just break down the important sections in the live stream so that then I can fetch those clips, apply my own a little bit of editing, like trimming unnecessary sections, and post it to the YouTube. If I don't speak in English, the AI won't understand. Yeah. So there are few projects. So which one do you want me to go through on? This project, or the AI editor, or the speak command, or the Raylangi Mama, which is the bot which I created. These all things run on GoLang, Typescript, Python in my Raspberry Pi 02. Just tell me if you want me to talk about this current project. Bot one, the Raylangi Mama. So I think I have the clip for that. 1 second. Let me open new window. I am opening it up. So this is my Raspberry Pi, which runs all my servers so far. I'm just thinking, what is the easiest way to tell you? I think let's go with the code. I think that's easier. Should we stream? These are all my projects. So Stream Assistant. So there is alerts, which acts as my backend. Batch scripts are nothing but a helper function, so I consider them as also alerts. And then there comes bot scripts, which is the two sections. So the first, this is the browser which I use to view the chat, and this is the terminal which is running currently. This is the code which is used by the bot to get what's happening in my YouTube, like number of people who have commented, what's happening, the number of likes I got, did someone like or dislike, etc. Stream Elements is too slow. So yeah, this is also a part of this bot. So there are majorly two sections, backend and frontend. Imagine this is also inside alerts, and imagine this is also inside bot. So bot will be running in my primary PC, where it observes what's happening in my live stream and feed it to my backend. This backend does almost everything, like what Raylangi Mama is supposed to say, number of messages you guys have sent. Thanks for the like. So that's what happens when someone likes my stream, and that is also handled by the backend, GoLang. And then that's what happens when someone dislikes my stream. If that's for testing, fine. If you really disliked it, just let me know what was the issue so that I can improve. Until then, peace. Oh, I got the like back. Cool. So that's what happens. These animations are handled by Relangimama, the bot. It won't, generate the animations. Those are done using the streamer bot and what is this? It's called Snapcam. But what happens when is also handled by Relangimama. So it also does one thing. If you want, see it now, my stream has reached 5 likes, so it's just congratulating me. So thanks for all the likes. It triggers, yes. The next thing is it also handles what you guys are doing in my stream, so it assigns points to you. So as of now, how many messages you sent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you go to my site and switch to YouTube section, you should be seeing your name here. It will there is a YouTube thing where it shows you as if you have 6 likes, but as if I have 6 likes, but I would normally have 5 likes. So something like this. If I go to my live stream, you should be seeing only 5. So this is the real likes count. The one you see is +1. I don't know why YouTube does it, but that's how it works. So this is my site and you can see all the users information. This is still work in progress. The backend is done. Front end, that's different story. So these are my old viewers and they have highest points. As of now, I think you have 9 points because you only send 9 messages and this is your last message. So I hold the entire data. I have my own database, everything, which will be also backed up. I have all securities for it. The setup is huge. I don't have enough time to go over all the security checks I'm done, but that's the case. It keeps on updating, and this is the first stream you have watched, and eventually has something came to mind where we discussed that. Yeah, if it's related to programming and stuff, yeah, sure. And now you have 10 points, so you should be seeing something like an alert or something. I don't know what to call it. So Siddhant is here. What happened? Something came to my mind. Can we discuss that? Sure, why not? See, one of my friend made one chatbot and it was okay. Okay. It was like, okay, that's fine. What else? I'm supposed to write a con job. Hey guys, I can listen to my song. I can listen to songs, and you guys, I won't be getting any copyrights. I won't be listening to songs when you guys are asking questions. It's just if no one's watching, it will feel dull. During that times, I would just listen to songs. But my idea was to make it an audio bot. Also, I want this to be human, like that person talking to me via this chatbot. There are enough tools to do that. Is it possible? Yeah, it is possible, but what are your expectations? I created an AI editor, but the expectations were pretty realistic, so it was possible. But if you're competing with something like OpenAI or something, then it takes years and a team to build that. So what are your expectations? All you want is an audio chatbot where you speak and it also speaks back, then that is totally possible. But how convenient and accessible that will be is a different story. Yeah, AI is being used. It's overhyped, I guess. It's the new trend, so it's understandable that everyone is using it. That's totally fine. Why not give them a mascot for college? Okay. Interesting. But still, those are the business, or you can say use cases. But why do you think that's not possible? They can put that in there. You're talking about use cases. It's like, imagine if I can travel at a light speed of light. What can I achieve? Those are the things you're talking about. But as developers, we talk about how to get to the speed of light. So if you think you can do it, then What is the problem? Yeah, the use cases are fine. The use cases are absolutely fine. If everything works out fine, then there will be a ton of use
Siddhant
cases.
says, my Mac
So
is
Mac is
dead,
dead.
brother had to come online from phone.
Dude,
I'll have to get it fixed, and that can only be done with another Mac, and I don't have another NE obviously.
I didn't know about it. I thought Mac can be fixed. Well, that's true. I don't think we can download Mac OS, but I have no experience with Mac personally, man. Sorry, what happened for you? But how it could die? What have you done? How to? This is my overview of it. If I had to do it, I will do something like this. So yeah, let's talk about voice chat. So input voice, and there are two ways to do it. First is record whatever they're speaking and then convert it to text. That's one way, and the second one is to parallelly convert into text, where let's say you have received like 2 seconds and then process the next 5 seconds, so that if they want to go back, if they miss some words, you can just reprocess it all. That's a bit complicated way, but let's start with doing the first way, which is simpler, which is take the input, process it. There are tons of free libraries to do that. Whisper from OpenAI itself, you can use Turbo, base model, etc. So that would be fine. Updated the beta firmware. It was too. Why would? Dude, Macs are not those things which you would like to mess with firmware until you don't know what to do and you have a backup plan. Why would you do that? But it's fine. I made stupid mistakes myself, so but whatever you made was a expensive mistake. Dude. What is a expensive? Mac Mini Beta OS bricked. So well, you might not be there alone. Is that you? Dude, the liquid glass is the one of. I just hated it, man. I didn't like it. I don't. Did you guys really like it? So you see the 20 comments thing. So now you have reached 20 points. As of now, everything is free. You can. Hey, Relangi Momo also handles speak commands. There is also the one other thing is you can control what appears on my face. I didn't go over all those commands, so it's fine. I didn't know we can brick macOS. You're going to have a DFU restore or review your Mac from another Apple Silicon Mac. Try reviving your Mac first so that it doesn't erase data. It baffled me how dirty people let their Macs get. If you drill, oh, that's I don't want. This is what he's doing. Would you like to try the same?
Siddhant Oda says, oh yeah, you can claim those points once you get to 100. Ping him once you reach 100, he will order items worth of $100 from Amazon.
That's false. Siddhant is full of shit. You can see he bricked an entire Mac PC. I will share the channel with my students. Hope you will help them with baby steps. No problem, no problem. I didn't even finish the pipeline. So yeah, you will convert this and you will have the text. Break it into context, or else you can skip that part and feed it to the AI. You can use local AIs, LLMs using Ollama. Somewhat disliked my stream, probably Siddhant. So yeah, you can use those LLMs and then convert, let them process, and you will get the text back. Make sure in the prompt you inform the AI that you're speaking. So don't put code inside it. So that when you get it back, then use the same library which you used before, and you can convert the text to voice, and then you know how to do that rest thing. So far simpler it is this way. The other one is this process where you basically use what Windows uses for text to speech. So it processes chunks of data as you speak, so that if you speak some miswords, it can go back and forward. That's a bit advanced. But yeah, the main engineering is inside prompting. That's the main part. Siddhan, let's comment and buy new Mac Mini. Mac Mini is a wonderful device, bro. I got it for someone, but they didn't enjoy it. They're not really a desktop using person, so. I'm using this wireless charger, but my phone is still sitting at 15%. Does any of you know how can I use? He already gave me a Pixel phone recently. You can't claim till 1000 next. Yeah. Thanks for joining. Hope you have subscribed. But thanks for joining. He already gave me a Pixel phone. That's daydreaming. How is Sarah, Siddhant? How is Sarah? Hey, I totally forgot to work on this. Automation is done. I'm getting the file. All I need to do is let's trigger one automation and see how it works. Yeah, I need to write a script to basically close this. Where the hell is this? API deeds. Let's write an automation.go. This is routes, so I don't need it. Internal. We can write.
Sarah Bundle says, hey baby, did you miss me?
Welcome back, Siddhant. Sorry. Welcome back, Sarah. How are you? What is this? Function. Trigger webhook. Webhook, and it will have its own class. So let's create that first. Close it. Type webhook payload. It's obviously a type of struct. I heard there should be an interface or something. So what do I have in the webhooks? Right? I have automation ID. I have caption. Those are the only things I have. Okay. Automation ID, yeah, and caption. It's a string. That's perfectly what I have. And data is a webhook ID, and then I don't know, it's fine. How can I trigger it? Post. I have no clue. I don't even have time to explore it. So let's use ChatGPT. How can I trigger this webhook? To trigger the webhook, go to a go con jobs and a post request. From a JSON? That's just a traditional. I never knew that. What's up? What's up, Sarah? How are you? I didn't know that webhooks are the best. I saw. Maybe I got confused with WebSockets. JSON Marshall, and then create a request, and then trigger the client, send a request, and optional log. Okay. What is it? I don't want con job to be done. Okay, let's write it from scratch. So yeah, pick the. I have the webhook. So let's just confirm. Probably I would have it. So if data dot automation ID or caption equals to this, then return. That's fine. Or else just say fmt.log.
Sarah Bundle says, you should try out Cursor just once, only once. It's anyways free for a month.
What?
Just once,
Why
only
would you
once.
want me to use that bad? Why do you want me to use it? I'm doing it enough. Whatever I have currently, I'm working with this. Yes, it might be easier. I might write my code a little bit faster, but I won't be comfortable doing that. I enjoy doing this. There should be a file-based logging system. Let's see, how can I get it? GoLang file-based logging. There should be one. I don't know which one I used. Log package? No. I used this for something. Yeah, for my AI editor. So crashed VM coding AI editor. Where is that? GoLang? There should be. Oh, why is it slow? GoLang, and then let's see. Open file, please. Main.go. There should be a package which I'm actively using. Reflect. I said reflect and it took it as respect. Where is the main function? There should be something in the main function which should say, yeah, log file. Dude, it's not the problem of my program, it's this application, and I tried to train it as much as possible, but it couldn't understand my language or accent that fast. So there are a bit of trade-offs, which is fine. I'm not using any package. I can just save it in this way. Interesting. I'll just use this one file. It's fine. Where is my main? And here is the application input. It's working as expected. So yeah, I have this return, or we can say fmt.log, sorry, println, and it should say automation ID is empty, and it returns. Once we were married, I can be your side assistant. Dude, what is that? What is an odd fetish you have? That you have to create an account with a girl name and try to talk to another person. What's happening with you? Sending a webhook, printing data, or we can say dump. Go dump, no, dump, dump. What is it? Go dump, yeah, go dump, don't dump, yeah, data. That's, now I have the webhook which I'm sending, and then we need to make a URL. Let's write a URL equals to, I'm not super comfortable showing this URL, but I don't know how to. Let's ask ChatGPT. In VS Code, GoLang, I would love to have an environment. I think I have an extension or something like those. No, I just said right. This is any. I understand. But still, you got it. What was your motivation to mimic as a woman and then ask for like, hey, can you go on a date with me? Why? Do you think I'm that fool to just, oh yeah, I'm so excited. .env syntax, suppose for .env. No, this is not the one. Hide env, there should be something. Hide. I forgot the extension. Auto hide. And no, hide comments, no. Hide keys. Hide my keys. How can I use it? Install features. Yeah, okay. Index.config secret password equals to that. The extension uses decorators to block sensitive information. Setting the. You wait, bro. You will wait until I'll get a real girl to prank you someday. What would you get in return? What kind of evil happiness is that? Create a dot in the root of your workspace and open the file. Okay. I have no idea. To get started, okay, let's see. This seems interesting. Sorry. Sensitive. This is what I'm supposed to write. How to use oh, how to save constant info in GoLang, like third-party keys and URLs. Configuration environments, yeah, that's what they would use. Yeah, .env file. Okay, if that's what's needed, then that's what's needed. Do I have to install this manually? Yeah, looks like it. So install terminal. Let's create a new one. Go get Kite is a friend of mine. I have no idea how did get this video on a suggestion. He doesn't even work in this field. He works at a hospital. That might be another Kite. He just messaged once and then left. And I didn't understand the BID. I asked him, but he didn't really respond. Password. Oh, it's working. Wonderful. Oh, it didn't work. URL equals to. Why would it? Okay, let me just paste this URL and I will be back. How do I save these inside now? How do I save those? Any idea? This is how I save. Okay, just a plain string without any space. These are the things I would just plain forget. Where is sensitive? I think I'm in the wrong server for some reason. Yeah, this is the right server. Okay. I don't see a. Yeah, I see this now. Since I was a kid, I was in the gym. Cancel. My terminal is not working. Go get. Terminal is stuck. One second, guys. 1 second. It says it's installed, but I don't see that being installed. Maybe it did. No idea. It's fine. I'm not going to find that extension. Okay. What's happening? Where is the chat? Yep, right here. BID seems SID. My friends call me SID. Bit. What's happening, dude? BID means SID? He clearly typed a big B letter, like a big B alphabet in an orange text. I don't think that's a typo. How do you mean SID, not SID? It's SID. Ting, 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 ting. This is how I use it. Cool. Okay. Error equals to, we can get, like, say, got env. Oh, go.env. Okay. That's a load. Error loading env file. That's fine. And then we just say os dot. What is the syntax? Get env. Okay. Now I will trigger it myself, please. Thank you so much. Now I have the URL. I'm supposed to marshal the JSON. That's what I have to do. What? Why is SID a banned word? I mean, I understand what you're trying to say. Yeah, that's fine. People, I understand. I saw some examples as well, but that was the first text he decided to send on my stream. What was the motivation behind it? What does he wanted to say? What does it SID mean? Actually, I have no clue. Did he try to submit? Okay, well, JSON Marshall, like you can say error equals to data dot Marshall. No, JSON dot. What is the syntax? This is the reason I don't really depend on much. JSON dot Marshall data. Is this the one? Okay, looks like it. Response dot error equals to http dot post. Yeah, this is fine. Post application URL post, and then we are supposed to send a URL and a content type, which is application dot JSON, and body. So new buffer. Just import bytes, buffer, and response. If no, there was a response. Close webhook send. This should be it. No, that became a culture, kind of F within our friend circle. Okay, so we started calling our friends as bed boo. Oh, boo. Abhishek. Okay. Sobuki boo. Okay. Boopshan is Devashin. You guys are so weird. That's how did Abhi become? I'm just trying to map it out. It's fine. I don't really get it, but it's fine. Probably I'm getting, older, Gen Z, millennial, something like that. So let's try triggering this webhook, and we are supposed to have a data as well. So main, what do you want me to test? Utils dot internals dot trigger webhook, and we are supposed to send the payload web object, and it should be something like this. Let's post it now. It should work. If it doesn't, that means something is wrong. That's a different story. Oh, it won't get the URL. So that means I need to host it so that the post would work fine. Let's deploy this test use case. Now, where is Git? I don't have Git. Open repository. Yeah. Yeah, add all these build log. Why those are required? I don't think those are required. Dot type. I would need the same one here. Since I was a kid, I have the gene. Okay, now I'm basically deploying things. Added real get URL webhook test deploy. How can I deploy this using a pipeline method? Is it really needed as of now? I have a code developed in PC. I host it in my laptop. Is there any way I can deploy the code and refresh server, etc.? As this is a hobby project, I do not want like a full scale pipeline, which is expensive. I want something free. Yes, since the hobby project, you're hosting it on your laptops, you can set a lightweight free deployment and auto restart system without using a field say. Okay. Auto deploy, zero cost setup. Okay. Git plus SSH pull and scripted start. Okay. Push your code to GitHub or private Git server. On your laptop host, set up a SSH key to clone the repo. I think that's what I did. From your PC, just SSH into the option auto redeploy with a file watcher. I don't really need it. I would need to remove the where is the git Can I have a git ignore here? .db. What is this output log? I don't care about output logs. So I have it in, basically I have it inside the HTTP, so I might need to write the script in the super parent folder, which is Amazon Auto. Open this. Oh, is it still running? It's fine. Okay, let's write a deploy script. The moment I run it, it should be fine. Should it be bat or it's a bash script? Does it have to be .sh, as my laptop is running and hosting in Windows? Yes. Perfect. So basically get echo. I think, is it better to stop and then start? Stop and start, and after stop just stash in case. I don't know if it will work or not. This seems really exciting. Deploy script added. It's fine. What is this? Thanks for the like. Someone liked my stream. Thank you so much. Who is that? Please let me know. So how can I trigger this? So I need to trigger this deploy script from my gaming PC, or it needs to be automatic. Perfect. Since you want to trigger the deploy script from your game either manually or automatic, there should be two solid approaches, both free and locally SSH into optional trigger deploy via SSH. I don't have an SSH deploy webhook. Thanks for the like. I don't know what's happening. Whoever is liking my stream, let me know. Send some messages. This is the webhook. Do I need to write another server for it? Do I need to write another server for it? I got another like. I trust my application. That means these are some real likes. I can prove it to you. Go to this site, YouTube Studio. Previously I had like 5 or 6 likes. It should be 7 at least. Let's see. 6 likes. So yeah, I got 1 like extra. I got some decent viewers here, but then people just left. Did I do something here? So I don't need hooks, I don't need these, I don't need these, I don't need this as of now. I think we can write a version as well. Tasks. Add version for the Go server so that it can be identified. Like version 1.1, and it needs to be shown in the web page. There are a lot of works to be done, but we'll see. I'm not deploying these changes, so that's fine. Deploy.sh changes. I don't have a host server. There should be another way. There should be another way. Can I do like using GitHub desktop? I do have GitHub desktop. Yes, absolutely. If GitHub desktop both on the gaming PC and your laptop, okay, no SSH, no webhook, no servers needed. Simply, you make changes to your gaming PC and commit and push. On your laptop, you pull the latest changes via GitHub. It automatically runs. Okay. This seems interesting. Never really use it personally. I used pre-commit, but no, I haven't really used post. Where's the damn git file? Okay, let's open VS Code. Hooks, pre-merge. Oh no, it's post checkout. No, post update. Is it pre-merge commit? Use a post merge. I don't see any post merge. Patch, commit, message, sample, post message, sample. Go to git hooks. Use git hooks post merge. I don't see a post merge here. ls cd hooks. No sign of post merge here. Okay, if it's normal, then absolutely fine. Well, this is not the really right file. Where does the file stay? It stays inside Go server. No, it stays inside the project itself. I don't know the final path. I can get the final path, no worries. Parsec, do I have parsec? Yeah. Laptop, do I have laptop? Yes. It's surprisingly connecting. Normally it wouldn't connect. Yeah, that's what I expected. Disconnect and let's see Rust desk v2. Connect this place. I don't know why there's always a paste. I need to remove those 0 zeros. Where is the code for it? It should be documents, GitHub, Amazon view counter. That's where it's supposed to be. So that I'm just going to have a copy here. C users, I guess, and then my name, and then documents, then GitHub, then Amazon auto. I will let it run for some time. It's fine. This is the path. Okay. Perfectly fine. I would definitely need some logging capacities to run. So let's try pushing it. I don't see any commit changes. Do I have not committed? Just so you know, let's remove that, whatever the print statement it has. I think it's probably the length. fmt print fmt dot print. I think it's probably these users, and the rest is a clear print, so that's fine. So let's create a deploy script here, and then output log dot. These are not really needed. I can ignore the temp file. It's definitely not needed. Rename, and it should be main. It's fine, I don't care. Okay, commit with git hooks and that stupid numeric print. Not sure if it works or not. Okay, I think I am good now. Let's see what's happening here. Why do I have this? Still fetching. Still fetching. Oh, does it really take this long? What is this? Why am I getting this one? Oh, I didn't know they would be sending to it. Oh, I would need the email, so let's go back and have an original email. Man, that's so cheeky. Check out, and let's give my main email. I should have the link at least. So let's try installing that plugin. This is my streaming PC, by the way. There will be a lot of looping, so don't mind. It shouldn't be that long now. Got the email. These are the instructions. Where is the file? Workspace. I didn't know this is a turn on your Compassion server in YouTube Music desktop. Connect a widget. Requirements using music. Okay, let's download it. No problem. It's fine. It's not worth it to set it this much. Close everything. It's fine. Where is it? I just wanted to try. There is nothing wrong with the idea of the music, but it's just I was just wanted to try. It's not working. Git. Should have the next full changes. Okay. Now let's try pushing a new change and see if that is definitely working or not. It should have the new we can just change the git ignore file. We can say go server.output.log. I added it inside here, but why is it still being test auto deploy? How does it auto pull the changes? It's fine for now. It's fine. I'll manually deploy it. Still deploying, or is it still running? Come on, spin it up. It shouldn't take this long. It should be up. There is a reason I'm running the build. Probably there is no file, at least. This is the file, this is the make file, this is one I've created. 9 AM. What is this? That's an old one. Dude, can you? Running it as an administrator to see if that fixes things. I don't get any output. Did it crash or what's happening? I see. Let's see if try to visit the site. If it works fine, then. For some reason it's working, but I don't see any output. I don't see any output here. Well, that's fine. Let's try creating a okay, I have the reels. Let's try generating a reel so that it would just expect me to work, or I can just assign a reel ID myself. This is the one. See Amazon.auto. We have Python. Dude, why is I strongly believe the problem is with Firefox, so let's try using a different browser instead. Okay, what is it called? Rust Desk. Hello, that's fine. I don't see any stupid paste messages now. That means it's to an extent working fine. Let's see. Python.output. I have no reel for some reason. So let's generate a reel now. Front-end npm run dev. In the meantime, I'll just pick a deal. Amazon.in. Place deals. Why is everyone is using these? So it should have this new one. Did it open up or not? So the affiliate link is here and the title is here. Oh no. Affiliate link is here and the title is here, and then we got to have the link, and we take the product image, copy image, then we take the price. I'm not sending caption, am I? I think I have to fix that. What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? The price image. Yes. Supposed to have the price image. Copy this, paste it here, and now let's see, inspect console.log. I am getting all the data, so start automation. That's the automation ID. I still only have one thing. It's still doing its thing. For some reason, there is absolutely no output. Probably I am using the os.log output. Maybe the output is working, but I can't see the output because the logs is taking its thing. Is it done? Yeah, this seems done. Let's see. Got 2, it says deals done. Deals done. So far, so good. What else? Now we need to get this deal ID and then trigger it from the caption. For some reason, I don't have the affiliate link. Do I have it? Amaze these. BlazingBane.com. Hopefully this would work. This is the one. Do I have the... Am I using this? Yeah, I am having the affiliate link here. HTTPS Amazon.to. Let's save it in a notepad, damn it. AMZN.2 3SRHVDI. I think this is the one. Amazon.to. Yeah, so far so good. So let's trigger a webhook just to see if things are working fine or not. So this is the internal webhook, and it would have caption test, and automation ID should be... What is the automation ID? This should be this one. I still need to do certain things. So run. I have no idea. In the meantime, I got this. I can check in my Instagram if that thing actually worked or not. Do I have to do something here? Yes, scenarios. I think I just... Oh, I didn't save it. No problem. This is the active scenarios, but where can I see the outputs of these scenarios if they would ever work? It says running, and it basically doesn't say anything here. Maybe it should be here instead. It's complete. Yeah. Webhook sent. Webhook sent. Where are my webhooks? Probably. Is there any? No, I didn't get anything. Connections. The data structures, customs app, scenarios, complete history. It says webhook is received. I anticipated that should be working. Why doesn't it? I don't see a new deal, but I don't see anything here. Did it actually get the URL? That's one of my doubts. Trigger webhook. This is the automation ID. This is the caption. It would just take the object, it would marshal it and get the URL. And it would post it to the application.bytes. Maybe I'm not supposed to new buffer. Yeah, that's fine. So webhook sent. This is the automation ID. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's see what is the JSON. That's a different story. Let's see what happens here. Automation ID, that's perfectly what I'm sending. That's just what I'm sending. It takes the webhook, edit, it's the URL, it's fine, show options. Edit the data structure, it should say automation ID and it should say caption. That's what I'm sending. I don't know why this isn't working. Let's try, what is the URL I'm using? Does it have to be? It's fine, I don't care. Let's. I don't see any activity at all in my scenarios. Hey, gaming kids, welcome to the stream, dude. I should see an activity here. History, there is nothing.
Gaming Keedses says,
Yeah.
bro, I have one issue.
Go on, tell me, what is the issue? Incomplete executions? No. How can I say if this thing is working or not? Let's delete this and just directly sync it. Save changes, go to the scenarios, clone. What is this? The scenario will start immediately when the specific event happens in the service. I think that's what I wanted. Yeah, that's how I wanted. But I don't have any history for these.
Gaming Keedses says, I am uploading a picture to database using Postman, and it's working. But if I upload multiple data according to scheme, it is giving error.
You're uploading a picture. Are you giving a path or the entire picture? It doesn't matter if you're uploading something to Postman and it's working, but I uploaded multiple data according to the schema, it's giving me error. Postman doesn't work with HTTPS, it would only work in localhost or HTTP. And even I'm using Postman now. So what do you mean by I upload multiple data according to schema? So maybe the body is the problem. If you're uploading images, you need to use something called media multiparser or something. What's one second? Form data, raw.
Gaming Keedses says, body form data.
One second. I just give me 1 second. Multipart. I think that's multipart body JSON. Are you using get or post? Yeah, multipart form data. You're supposed to use multi. Okay, let's say it's form data. It's fine. It should work. I have extensively used it. Send me your example. I'll see. I would suggest just use JSON. Just convert your images into a base64 as a string. You can just send it. That's what I'm using. It is compatible because strings are compatible with all languages. I'm sending the base64 file of my image instead of sending the image to the URL. So this is what I'm doing for the front end. Whatever the images which I'm posting in my
Gaming Keedses says, converting images into array buffer.
Yes, I'm converting into base64. We can see the network tab. I don't know if I still have it. So yeah, payload. We can see all the images which I have posted here are converted into this base64. I can just I'm storing this base64 itself into the database. I'm not even storing the entire file. When I want to fetch these, I am just fetching that string and then reconverting this base64 into an image. And I'm using JSON body. But normally for your case, it should work. I have no clue. Incomplete executions. I am not getting even a single transfer. Server restart. It says webhook has been sent, but I don't see any webhook event connections. More webhook. This is the webhook. It says it's active. That's the right ID. Logs. Oh, it says error. Oh yeah, this is the one. What is the detail? Query body. I'm getting the body 400. Validation failed for one parameter. Which is the parameter? Thank God I came to this section. Okay. Edit. Show advanced settings. It is automation ID and caption. That's what I'm in automation. Is it capital ID or small? It's capital ID. Automation. What am I sending in the payload? It is automation ID. Oh, it's small letters. Okay, automation ID save. Let's try it now. Connections, more webhooks. I'm closing all the unnecessary things. I can open this, I guess. No. What is this? This locks. I received something that should be done, I guess. Two scenarios. Did I receive something? Failed because an error 405 method not found. Which is error? Let's see. 405 Instagram method. The bundle did not pass through the filter. Oh, it does send me an email. Instagram business create a reel. The operation was complete in 21 seconds. The bundle did not pass the filter. What does it mean the bundle did not pass the filter? The reel is not uploaded. The bundle did not pass the filter. Make a request. It says success post. That means the post has been successful. But I don't see any post in my Instagram. Let's forget this. Let's just break it, unlink. Why does it say, yeah, I might need to go to scenarios. I don't know which one exactly failed. HTTP make a request. This one is the one it's failed. So let's unlink. Let's unlink this for now and unlink and do not.
Harish says, hello.
Welcome back, bro. Welcome back. How can I not trigger this? Or else I can just make. I mean, these URLs are not yet implemented, so that's totally fine. I can just. Maybe it takes time to post that URL. Maybe it takes time. I can't save all these. I wish I could save it somewhere. It's fine. So let's save it. The scenario has been saved. Let's go to the active scenarios. Inactive scenarios. Let's make it active. Oh, the newly activated scenario will only process the new data. You can first process the data in the webhook queue. Delete old data. I don't need it. History. It's fine. Complete executions diagram. History. So this is a simple history. I deleted the HTTP hooks. I just wanted to see whether it works or not. Let's make a quick change. First, let's test if I get the file or not, because that's a crucial step. Or this would not work. So go to the browser, I guess, and https amazedeals.blazingbane.com. Yeah, that's working. And then get reel. Post this URL. It should. No URL found. That's one way of making things worse, but let's see. Where is this one? Yeah. Oh, my bad. This is the automation ID. Okay. I got the URL, but there is nothing playing for it from it. Strange. Let's get back to this one and see if there is any issue. They say the reel is created, so inside the outputs, there should be reels, and it starts with 43AF. Yeah, this is the one. Does it mean I'm getting the reel, or does it mean I'm not getting it? Partial content. Why is that? Thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. It says partial content. What happened? Someone disliked my stream. I have no clue. ChatGPT, partial content. Why is this? The response needs to be a video. Oh, maybe the server is requesting itself for a video. What's up, guys? Let's try for. Oh no, that shouldn't be the case. It is me who's triggering the video, so it should be good. What changes should I make to get the whole video? Well, that shouldn't be possible. Thanks for the like again. Who is the one playing with those likes and dislikes? I'm not setting any range header. Am I setting any range header, response header, request headers? Does it mean something? How can I? This means the server returned the entire video in one request, even though it is okay. Why? Because your browser or client is still including this header. This is a valid. Oh my god. Someone is playing with the likes and dislikes. I don't mind who is there, just have fun, but let me know. Do you want a 200k instead? Yes. But I don't care. Let's see. Terminal. PowerShell. There should be a curl somewhere. Where's the file? I do have the video.file. Let's see. Where is the damn video.file? Video.file. Here, my username. Someone is just having fun with the likes. It's fine. Have fun. Video. Where is the video? That means like it's working. So let's see. So let's go to this one. Let's see the webhooks. I did make a request at 39 or 42. I didn't get one. I didn't really get one. Did I get anything for my WebSockets? I got one for 42. What is it? Post method caption 400. Finish. I'm still sending damn ID, automation ID. That's what I'm sending, dude. Let's just fix this one. Data, where is the data structures? More data stores, not data store, data structures, webhook payload, edit. It is automation ID. No, let's save it, damn changes. It's okay, you can have fun, but operations. It's the one. Where is it? I understand you're trying to have fun, but what if some other viewer doesn't like it? So be responsible, please. This is the one. Where is this one? This is the logs. I don't care as of now. I do have automation. That's perfectly the one I'm sending. Did I get a new one anytime soon? 45, there should be one. Success. Let's see what are these scenarios are doing. Active scenarios, this is the one. Let's see. It says success. It does say success. I don't know if it did if it did really post it or not. I don't see anything. Is it posting to some different account? Maybe create a real post. This is the one. Cancel. I am disabling the likes for now. It's not at all healthy. All right. That should be stopped. I'll bring it back after a while. Okay, what's happening here? So far we have the link. It says success, but that shouldn't be the case. Can I have a test run maybe? I don't even have a test run. Oh, it's 11:46. Let's fix this one last time and possibly make a change out of this. All I have. What does the history say? Details. This is the webhook. Accept automation. Scenarios. Yeah, discard. That's fine. And active scenarios. This is the one. History. 11 seconds. Details. What did it have? Oh, it says this one. Share to field for output. It says error. Media upload has failed. Error code this. What does it mean? Bundle content. This is the one. Okay. What is this? Bundle output. This is the one. What does it mean? I'm trying to do this, so welcome to Here are the similar issues. Posting reels. Before we therefore invite you to import your video in one of these formats. What? I do have MP4. Two 726. Yes. what is the video format? Does it support video specifications? MP4 video codec. What is the codec which I used? I can go to my users and see it myself. Which is the video? It does say MP4 and 624 bits details. It doesn't have any information. Help, no help. Video info. What's the problem now? How can I fix the video? Probably. Let's see if I can do any changes inside the Python's code. Require.python, and we can just come on, open. Finally, real. Let's see what is the default for these. FFmpeg file, movie creator, write a video file, codec 64. Perfectly fine. They posted a screenshot probably, which is what I'm getting as well. Error code. This means the file or video format is wrong. Yes, you're absolutely right. This means fixes meta complaints of the video. It should be recommended. That's what I'm using, isn't it? If you omit, if that's the case, then sure, why not? Let's go change it a little bit quicker. Where is it? Where is the browser? This is the browser. Rust.desk. There's Python, I guess. Open the wheel in VS Code. What am I supposed to change this? So that's one file. I can't copy paste things. Oh my god, how can I copy paste things? Okay, well, looks like I might need to manually write it. Save it, and this should be here. Thanks for the like. Now this should be going to the next. Final write should be working. I have given this before. If this is what it's needed. I don't know how this ultra fast would look. So let's try triggering this change. Oh, I might need to deploy it. Oh, my bad. And repository, yes. Change. This should be working fine, I guess. There is a temp file. There's a May file. That's fine. Okay. Fix movie pie in video format. I mean, if there is no audio, why would there be a problem? What's happening in my GitLens? Okay, push it. let's go here. Once that should be probably done, pushing audio, it's done. Let's go to GitHub desktop, or else this one. I'm turning this off server, and then also open this. Okay, should be git stash. I can understand that's a bit slow, but it's fine. Git pull. It's extremely slow. I didn't think my internet at home is that slow. It's done. Cool. So far so good. Let's see if I wrote some git hooks. I was expecting something outputs for it, just to make sure it says deploy and it doesn't really have absolutely anything inside it. It's 5 more minutes, so let's see. Go server, main.go. This is the application. Once that's running, I might need to restart this one environment and then run flash.run. It should be up. It should be up. Come on. Okay, server's up. Let's run it one more time. I'm going to do the same reel, or let's give it another one. What is this? Do I have anything here? Then there comes the title. Oh, thanks for the like. Whoever liked my stream, thank you so much. Then copy image. Then what is the one for this one? Price image. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Make it faster. Ah, this is not. Okay, start automation. Automation has been started. There should be. Oh, this fetch fail. Yeah, this should be working fine. Fetch 1 0. Starting automation. It takes a while. It does take a while. I only got one. Let's see. Only got two. I was getting toast messages before. It's just if it gets a new event, that's when it's supposed. Yeah, it got a new event. It says reels done. Oh, where is the automation? This is the automation ID. I would like to test this now. Main.go.server. This is the one. Save. Webhook might have been sent. Let's go to the server and see history. Go back to history. It's running. I didn't get a success. Yeah, that success means fine. Let's refresh. It says success, but operation complete. It says error media upload has failed with error code. This one. Oh. Posting video format. I didn't think this should be this difficult. It's MOV. Where did he see that? If how are you mapping the URL? Oh no, it's not. I have a similar issue as well using MP4 files for an API. Here is the input bundle going for the read, and this is the output bundle I got. Here's the video details, and it says this one, this one. I tried multiple videos. Any help would be approachable. That's it. In your case, is not a direct link to the video, but it's a link to the web page displaying the video that plays the video file. As you can see here, it is the web page. You cannot use this link. I don't know what's the problem here. Is it getting a video link at all? Oh, video URL. It says video URL. Wait a minute. Mapping is video and URL is just, that's it. Let's test it one last time. Scenarios. It says reel and slash. Basically there should be a reel for sure. I've saved it. Hopefully that makes any sense. To scenarios, history, let's see, scenario edited. I'm just going to trigger it one more time just to see what's the URL we are getting. It's running details. Let's see, custom operation webhook has been completed. Probably this is running. Still running, still running, still running, still running. I will wait for 12.2. Maybe I need to pass in like a string variable or something inside the URL. Probably, no idea. But I can watch that one video where I think he shared the information on how to send that reel. What is it called? Instagram post reels make.com. Where's the first one? Yeah, this is the first one. Oh. For some reason it doesn't get the next URL. What am I supposed to do? Make.com how to concat URL. Concatenate videos now. Okay, finally. No, this is not the one. Oh. Okay, base URL and file name. Hi, I'm looking for a function that concatenates text with a URL. Okay, you should use equals to D. What? Base URL. I think the URL is the problem. Let's try fixing it. It shouldn't be in this way then. It should be something like this. URL that contains how about this? In the webhook, I would just return real URL. It would be something like this. Automation, let's say, what is it called? HTTPS amazedeals.blazingbane.com, and it will have get real, and this is the one. So far so good. I would just need to update this webhook. It will have URL token. It will be real URL. What am I missing here? Yeah, it's done. Oh no, it would be triggering a lot of events now. It's fine. Let's do that. So webhook, edit. It should be also advanced changes, edit, text, and there should be one more which should say real URL. It will be URL of the video. So text, not a multi-line. Press save, press save, press save, and here it should be taking a real URL instead. I just didn't know how to, merge all these. So real URL, press save, and what else? Yeah, press save. How can I save it? Scenarios has been saved. Let's go history. Okay, so far so good. Let's just run a test run now. Save. Let's see if it got any requests. It should be getting a request. Why I received variation missing a request media video URL. Strange. Scenario is turned off. I would like to see what I was getting instead. It's making a real URL. There is one record in the queue. What is it? Value is automation ID real, yes. How can I? So I might need to turn on the automation for that. Is equals to turn on process all data. It says video parameters says it's not required. Honestly, no clue how to fix it. It says video URL search items. How can I give it? I have no understanding. parameter, what is it? Invalid URL. Let's see this. What was the URL at least? Can I see the URL, please? No, do not ignore, do not ignore. Origin make and invalid URL in parameter video URL. What should I give them? You should say this, yeah, that's fine. Attribute with trim text content. What? Oh. Trim bracket. Okay, if that's the case, then I'm definitely going to try it. Trim bracket, real URL. Yes. Then close bracket. Is this how I do it? Real URL. I don't know what's the problem here. Okay, I have the real URL. It says operation failed. I couldn't find the real URL. Something's wrong. Either I'm not sending this entire value into the data structure or some reason. Filter, set up a whole branch, set up a filter. Label condition if automation ID is not equals to something. It does not exist, or it's not equal to case insensitive. This one. Save, and it should do something like this. Router. How can I add a filter? I had it some filters. Yes. I added a filter somehow. So how would it know which one to take? Make chunk text, summarize text, paste, log, post, save, data table something. There should be something docs text.
Gaming Kidzas says, Discord.
What's happening, dude? Amma 12 call, babu. This is coming. Okay. Thanks for the like. Outer layer router. Invariant expected layer. Layout ఎందుకు మారుతుంది? ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? Font type outer layout router.
Gaming Keedses says, just now came yesterday, it was working fine.
Unsure, dude. Honestly, no idea. అదెందుకు మారుతుంది మొత్తం? నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తావు? సారీ మ్యాన్, నో క్లూ. అంటే ఏదో అబద్ధం చెప్పడం ఎందుకని, తెలియకపోతే తెలీదు అని చెప్పడం బెటర్ కదా. చూద్దాం. అవుటర్ లేఅవుట్
Gaming Keedses says, a Raju open VESA something went wrong yemo.
Invariant expected layout router to be mounted. Invariant expected layout router to be mounted. మొత్తం లేఅవుట్ యాప్ డాట్ టీఎక్స్ ఏదో ఉంటుంది కదా, అదే హ్యాపెన్ టు మీ వెన్ ద లేఅవుట్ డాట్ టీఎక్స్ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ద బాడీ ఆర్ HTML ట్యాగ్. అది మనం ట్రై చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు కొని, ఏమన్నా నీ లింక్స్, సొంత లింక్స్ ఏదైనా పెట్టడానికి. 12:15. ఓకే డూడ్, గాడా గో. రేపు ఆఫీస్లో చాలా పని ఉంది. ఇది పని చేసిద్దేమో అనుకున్నాను, పని చేయట్లే. ఇట్స్ ఓకే, సీ టుమారో. అమ్మో ఇన్ని ఓపెన్ ఉన్నాయా? బాబోయ్ బాబోయ్ బాబోయ్. Hey, 10 likes. Sorry, gaming kids. No idea. Next year నేను అంత బాగాలేదు. Oh, Jagdeep Singh, when did you join? ये क्या बना रहे हो? It's a very long story. कल बता देता हूँ. वो ऑटोमेशन का जो है, जो मेरा रील्स और पोस्ट जो रहता है ना, वो इंस्टाग्राम को अपलोड करेगा, लेकिन there is something problems with it. Gotta fix. Alright folks, I have to go to sleep. I'm 15 minutes late to bed. कल मिलते हैं. Thanks for the 10 likes. Good night.